Hi friends, how are you all? Hope everything is fine at your end. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sai Spiritual Healing. Today I would be sharing a short explanation on the next universal law, that is the law of action. The law of action is the most critical ingredient when you want to manifest your dreams. And it is really that one other universal law you need to make the law of attraction truly work. Manifestation is not magic, it does require action to work. That's why I get into more detail of the most fundamental universal law today, that is the law of action. The law of action is one of the 12 universal laws you should know about when you want to manifest your dreams. It is the actions we take that move us towards our goals and dreams, not only our thoughts and feelings. Our emotions and thoughts bring the possibilities into our lives and get us onto the right track and into the right frame of mind. The actions are what propel us forward and get us towards the end goal. The law of action states that we must take action in our lives to see changes happen. Every action we take creates a result. The law of action also says that if we do nothing, then nothing will happen. It is a beautiful law of universe that gives us power over our future and the joy of being a part of the creation of our future. How does the law of action and the law of action complement each other? Let us find out. Both of them are interwoven into each other. First, the law of action acts as the solidifying message to the universe that you want the goal you are going after. It is one thing to meditate and visualize your future, but unless you take real world steps towards your goals, it will only remain in your mind. When you move physically towards your goals with an action step, it signifies to the universe that you are willing to get out there and work towards it. When you do take action, it is incredible how fast things can happen. Secondly, when you visualize and set your goals for the future, your mind will start to notice opportunities that will help you reach your end goal. When you see these opportunities and prompts to take action, you must listen to them. If you do so, you will be taking inspired action that you must learn to understand and trust your intuition. When you listen to the signs that are put in front of you and you act on them, you will start to put yourself in proper situations where you can meet the people you need and to meet and be in the places you need to be. Thirdly, your taking action is your trust and surrender to the process. that if you take the necessary steps, you will see things happen for you. If you doubt yourself and are unsure, then you are less likely to take action. However, if you are determined and sure that you will reach your end goal, you are likely to get off the couch and out into the lane leading to your dreams. The law of action is the most physically and tangibly understandable law we have. Even without visualization, matching frequencies and affirmations, merely taking action will get you closer to a new life. It is when we employ all of the laws of attraction and the universe together with action that magic starts to happen faster than we can comprehend. And that's when I hear things like, I did not believe and trust the universe, so nothing happened. Let me tell you, the universe does not work on your thoughts and feelings. It only depends upon the actions that you take in your physical world. This was a short explanation on the universal law of action. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to my videos if you like them. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I update my next videos. These shares, comments and your suggestions will motivate me for making more such videos in future. Hoping to get suggestions from your end if you need any changes in my videos. Thank you.